armor.
Oh my god.
Oh, I should have got that.
What the heck? These might be the... This might be the Adams version.
It's possible, but
Because
they're
everything
like,
else is Adams. See?
No, it's literally an Adams panel.
These are Adams. They look the same. Remember? There's an Adams copycat of armor.
Yeah.
I think it's Adams. But, oh, what the heck? The panel's built over the phone door.
Still.
Yeah, close enough. It's armor. This thing is weird. Adams columns, armor buttons. Dover floor indicator for whatever reason. Adams?
Yep.
Motor sounded decent.
You push it. Which one?
One.
Jeez.
You know, even this indicator doesn't really quite look like Dover. They're like more rectangular than square.
That G looks
Yeah.
off.
They're not as slanted. I don't know, there's just something about this indicator. I don't think it's Dover. I think it might also be an Adams copycat. Original handrail. Wood. But yeah, that's cool.